Hey there, guys! I'm Cody Mayo, and this is Cigar TV. What do we got for you on today's episode of Cigar TV? Now, let me tell you, I have another unboxing video for you today. So, let's get into this package of treats and see what we got. So, I just got this in today. It's been a long day for me today. I'm working and all that. I have to make a living somehow. So, other than work, I just got home, just finished eating, all that fun stuff. And also, I'm now ready to open this package. So let's go ahead and get right to that and show you what we got coming up and for the next couple review videos on cigars. Okay. So, it's a nice size package. Yeah, it's a pretty nice size package. It's kind of small, but what's in here is some pretty interesting things. I know that it's 2 boxes, or 2 different things of cigars, and I got a pretty good deal on both of them. So, let's get this open. This time I bought off of Cigar.com. They have a huge selection of cigars and all that. So, they pretty much have just about anything you can think about, and then some things that you might not have heard before. So, it's always fun looking around at different websites and all that. Ooh-wee. Alright. So let's see what we got in here. The usual packing material. And some advertisement for their website. That's always fun. Okay. So first up, first box of cigars. Okay. This is called Inca. Now, this is one hell of a looking box. This is a cool looking box indeed. Let's see. So, from what I've heard from some pretty good resources, is that they no longer make this cigar, but they have so many of them that they have at least about 2 years worth of age on them. So, yeah. I mean, look at that. That's awesome looking. All the detail on the box. Now that's pretty nice. I believe that this is a, let's see, it is a box of 20 cigars. So this is going to be a fun one to review. So, be ready for that one. Okay. Time for the second box of cigars. Now this one is one that I was pretty excited to get because it has 2 different purposes to it. And it looks like it also came with a bonus item. Very nice. So this next box has two different purposes to it. It's not only a box to transport the cigars that comes in it, but you can also reuse it to carry ammunition and stuff. Say like if you go into like the gun range or something, how like people you have to carry ammunition in some way, either it be a backpack or in the gun case itself. But this one is actually an ammo box. Yeah. It is the Black Ops Special Forces cigar. So let's get into this. Yeah, I was pretty excited for this box right here. Because not only do I enjoy a good Gurkha cigar, I do like going to the gun range and having fun there with friends and all that. Now, see, that is just too cool. It's legitimately a ammo case. And so that bonus item that they sent me, which I didn't expect this, is a really cool looking knife. Woo-wee! Look at that. If y'all have learned one thing from this channel, is that I love my knives. That is a nice thick handle. That is one hell of a blade. That is nice. That is really nice. Oh yeah, I think I found one of my new favorite knives. So, getting back to this box of cigars. So it's an ammo case. So you can transport your ammunition back and forth to the gun range in this lovely box. Let's see. Okay, so that wasn't too hard to open. That's cool. So this was a case of I think this was like 25 cigars. $28 cigars. So really cool looking on those as well. Well, those are the those are the upcoming cigars on Cigar TV for review. So I hope you look forward to that. As always, if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you have not already and would like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to hit that notification bell as well if you do, so you can stay up to date on my videos that I post. Let's see. If you have any suggestions for future cigar reviews, tips, tricks, or you just want to ask me something, please leave a comment down in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. So yeah. As always, guys, stay safe out there and stay smoky.